Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about export. Okay, so we are going to here and we see we have an export for this one. If you want to export your file to Colada, it's a type of exporting files. If you want to change it to Colada or FBX or wavefront, like as an object or as a PDF, grease pencil as PDF, you can do it. But the Colada is for moving this file to SketchUp or AutoCAD. Okay, so I'll just click on this one and see. You see, we can just go to here and save it as Colada. The shortcut for it is DAE. Okay, you see this, and we can save it as Colada. Export Colada. That's it. We exported the file for it. Do you see? And that was it. How we can export a file. See you in the next one. Goodbye.